Welcome, good afternoon. And a serious note now, we day inside the True Talk. I get two personal stories. One I want to introduce the matter today, and then we'll go decide. But the topic when I give them today be say receivers. Some no they fit give. Not be everybody sabi give. Not be everybody where they open hand, where they ask for, begging. Help me. Some of them no fit help back. Yeah, so you go also learn today. Say some people will get them. Nobody get them. So you no need anything. You cannot say Dangote or $10 or even Obi Kubana say you no get what you need. Even if not good morning, even if I call to greet you, it's something. Now I go tell you now two stories. One about my baba, one now about my mechanic. So May 21st now my birthday. So May 21st we don't pass. On my birthday I go cut my hair. So as I day when my baba want barb me. Before that time, this na guy will be say me and they settle. Sometimes when he dey barb 500, me I dey give him 1K, 1,000 just to encourage him, make he calm down, barb me well. When he increase them to 700, I see they give him 1,000. They make 300, 500 from my hand. I don't give him some shoe, some jeans, some of my clothes where he say like. I go remember put her for both. If I come, I go give him. Sometimes too, he go let me know say things no today. Okay, I go send them, give him something. So me, I dey like make friend with baba, mechanic, tailor. I dey like young people. With me and then go party. I no go come they do say because I dey pay you money to do this work for me. Like say I be yoga, you know that kind of thing. So I dey like be friends to them. And that's so me and this guy they ask my baba. I dey dash him. I dey give him. Sometimes he go say never chop. Sometimes he go say man come meet me where they hang out. I go say come. On my birthday, somebody called me to wish me happy birthday, and in there they listen as they put that their cloth for my body. He come here say, ask me say, got me today now your birthday. I say now my birthday, you know. He come say, wow, congratulations, happy birthday, and I be say today you go pay double. I shock because what I've been think say him one talk be say I go discount for you as the barbing at 700, maybe today just bring 500 or bring 200 or bring 300, or I go even barb you free because I dey give him I dey show him love. You know, I shock when he tell me say that means I go pay 1/4, I go pay double since na my birthday. I ask and say me and you who supposed give you? He say why you go give me? Now the question when you ask me why you go give me when beside better pass am? Oga, now you be chairman, now you supposed to dey give me. I weak and that thing pain me and I no come to they go inside again. So you believe say I come this world where they collect and you know forgive me. That one na my baba. So some days ago my mechanic do his own way shock me. The way I did with my baba and I started with my mechanic, I they share with him, I they show and love, cloth, shoe. Sometimes he go say things hard for their place, he go call me, I go send small thing what I feel show and love. I don't even meet his wife, I don't, one time buy food stuff and all that to support the young couple. Now I go fix car for him place and the workmanship, apart from money for spare for car parts, I pay a workmanship of 12,500. When I don't go, the next day I call me to remind me say the woman where they sell drinks near their shop, their workshop, say I buy bottled water from her 100 naira. Say I no give the woman. Saying they tell the woman say I no be that kind of person. Saying I forget. So they call me now to remind me say they owe that woman 100 naira. I no believe them. The next day again,
100 naira.
Yes, he sent me text. Sabi to speak English, so the text he type am anyhow to tell me say what of that 100 naira for that woman. This na person why they dash money, why they help pikin to just complete school fees, to give him wife money for food stuff, he himself shoe, clothes, money sometimes to feed him family. He say remind me. I want hear the guy. I can't send a message say make he collect the woman account number, make I transfer 100 naira. I think say na there he go use his sense to say this one which one be transfer. He go collect the account number through send to me. Make me send the woman 100 naira. So I don't know how you feel.
And Chiboy, this thing where you talk, I don't know how I call them sense of entitlement on these people part because they believe say they no get and they no get anything to offer that person.
Yes.
Because the person don't they give them, the person will continue to they give them. But they forget say it gets waiting. If it be say no be money, if it be say time, that person if they very very busy, if he do some certain things, you just look at. For example, now your oga for office, and maybe you be gate man or you be a personal help, you just the help and do something. Say maybe this person like fruits. Or he like that person say they like corn for road, but because in our guy, say get the kind level where you go reach, you don't go feed the stuff for roadside and do some certain things. You go, you buy that corn, roasted corn, you buy that pear, you buy that mango, you buy that pineapple. You come and say, "Oga, see oh." You know how grateful
he go happy like small pikin.
You know how grateful that person go date to you. You don't give her money, but you just pick out that need, that tiny need where say this person like, but if you just they go out because of maybe busy, because of or you na person where be say you go just pick. I don't don't know why people be like that anyway.
You could just do that like after all that chairman na below.
Na chairman
I beg I no fit give am my money. You know, after all he get money pass me. Why I go buy for am?
And most people don't forget say this life na packaging. The system person come outside, you dress fair, you put small perfume.
If you know
just
like
make
that,
you look neat, make you no bless. Now you carry your problem, wear am for your body.
Well, they come back. So many things, so many mistakes where they make when you feel say somebody better pass you, and then down to the 5 naira, 50 naira, 100 naira. You get the one where the guy send the person make you go buy something. The money when he give him is about 250,000 naira, and when he reach there, the person stay for the place. Tell him saying don't buy him, but know how to come back. That one can say what you hold you to come back. He say because the person will go carry the thing come outside now 1.5 and the money no day. So you know I don't know what I go do now. I don't call you, no pick. He say when you call me a day meeting. You call me a day meeting, so you be mechanic. When I agree to buy engine parts from your body, I trust you to send you 250,000 naira.
So
make you can't go buy the thing. Then you reach there. Ladipo have been aware. Can't delay. So take a day board meeting. You call me 2 hours ago. I know they with my phone. I come outside, they call you. You could think say you don't carry the thing, come back. You understand? Whether you don't come in workshop, you don't fix the car for Ikoyi. So in the thing say maybe the guy they call and make a send driver, maybe they come pick the car. Now the person they tell and say the thing still the market. So you leave the thing where you buy back for the market because of 1.5. Say whether I say to cross the thing, I'll be the person will go carry and for them one collect 1.5. So in can they call the man. Whether the man go stand there, send down 1.5. As the man no pick, he can't leave the parts, can't go back in workshop.
Imagine.
So that means that job no finish that day because of 1.5.
Chiba, I tell you,
somebody will cut in your hand. This guy, man, no use. I cannot use my money on you. I can't. My 1 naira.
I know, Chiba. They feel say if they do and then they lost. I don't know how they reason.
Yes.
They feel like say. This my 5 naira now. This my 1,000 and 1 put now.
When the man see give you,
the
man see dash you 5K.
I know you don't forget say this person go close eyes, count 5K, count 10K, count 100K, give you. You go solve your family for your wife born. You no get money, you go pay.
Now you're right. That time when they dash you money.
Thank you.
Now you're right.
But 1,000 I know if you judge you, but I tell you story of person where say make I send them 5K.
Yes.
And that day said the thing get as to be for me, but this person don't be asking me before of money.
So
I tell her
I don't get. No 2 times.
I can't think I say if I say this thing 2 times, I go be like say I just they avoid to help. Make I just anyhow money go come out later for me, sha. I give but person can say I bet no vessel, no forget to put charges. I can't say which one be charges. You can't say she buy no say you go use POS now. POS they collect 100 naira, 200 naira, and depends on the POS. I can't say okay, how much be the charge? I say make I send 5,200 naira. I send them all.
So you send money plus POS charges.
I can't say God. So you no get 200 naira or 100 naira to take do your collect money for POS charges.
Even if you don't get, you're not supposed to ask me.
Charges.
Shame for catch you because you get people where they push this thing go too far. As them beg you 5K. I beg, I don't know whether I figure 5K. I never chopped since they had me. You can't say okay, no problem. Hello. I beg if you just me, just make an 10. So because to show say you just want to use my head. So because I agree, you don't know waiting I've been get for account why I sacrifice 5K for you. So I tell you, because I beg you day house, I beg I'll be one can collect 5K for you, and I say okay, come. Between a house and here, Uju Kokoro.
Don't enter.
As he come, he can say I beg no verse with your answer. Help me just complete and 10.
Because
you don't get just 5K, but to me that just complete and 10 because I agree this one, you know. So I don't know.
I just there for this kind of people.
Imagine Baba what they do for to tell me say why he ain't go bar me free. He asked me. That's I be fool since why they do my own.
Imagine.
It's after all, and me be chairman. What you know I really mean by chairman? Who is a chairman? All these things you see anytime nowadays when they call you madam, when they call you oga, they want scam you. When you don't go buy something where they say madam,
free.
That auntie, you go market. Woman, we senior your mama, go they shout auntie for your head. Auntie, if they clean it for you. Now scam.
Of course, now money must fall out.
If they prepare how to cut your neck with money. So nowadays, I know they collect that oga. Where you don't go workshop, you don't go so oga don't call, see my oga, I beg, I no be oga.
I'm telling you.
So that's something of 5K, you go sell on 22,000 to me.
Because oga don't come.
They use that till they wash person head. Which one be oga? No. If I no pay you, you go naked me here. If I owe you now, you go begin insult me.
Outside.
So I tell be auntie. If as you be auntie now, may she tell you say this thing at 3.5, price at 1.8. Oloshi, Ashawo. The same woman will say auntie.
They'll come clap her. Don't take her free of charge.
But now they call you auntie now. So what be this auntie will not really anti-rate and uncle?
You know that
auntie no anti-rate now.
What
it just what you don't protect auntie fake auntie because you want to chop my money. You understand? So some of these people just they feel say they too get sense. Even the good way they do for them, like say now their sense bring them. Not be say you be kind person we just want free them. I they use it, you know. So I don't know.
And the thing will be say the moment where you say you realize this thing where they do because you know they help you don't turn to bad person.
Yes.
Enemy don't start. They'll come they spoil your name. They go. They don't go tell people say the good things where you don't they do.
Yes.
And that one time where you say you know get or you know or you correct them or you point out that mistake. Tell them say So, like, for example, now that your Baba,
yes,
you say you point out that mistake for that point.
You go change them.
All the one they do since call. I don't give you that. So this day will be my birthday. Where you know send my birthday. The time say I go pay double. This character no good though. Chi boy. As they come out for that shop, you go to tell you see this man very wicked person.
Enemy don't.
All these rich people waste stingy.
So they
don't spoil your name.
The history of what you don't do for them, nobody go hear.
No, then they hear that part.
Maybe as they go there now, I can't decide. Say I go to carry my money. If na 700, I go bring 500 or 200. I go to give her exact change. You go carry face.
Stinginess.
Yes. Meanwhile, other people they pay 700. Though. Some they even want. If I begin pay 700 now, problem don't come. Anyway, make we hear on our own comments on top this matter. Hello. Hello. Good afternoon. Welcome. Nakulele Zone you day.
Yeah. Radio Jagaban.
I greet you. Welcome.
That Baba. You need to wash. You need to watch. You know, get sense.
Not be small thing. Not be small thing.
Because my in-law don't do one thing for your guy. When they send out the charge card, the work sucker for work, they don't prepare the paper. The guy just come. As he drive come, so when they come to give her the paper, say okay, see the paper where they want circle. He come see the name for the list. I go, he say, what did this boy do now? He say, they want some people now. People will have no money to pay them again. No. He say, okay, no problem. He come out his name. As he come out his name, call her, sign the paper, call her, go in another office, tell her, say, I don't transfer you come out from Bayelsa to Port Harcourt. And he give us supervisor there. Because of the charge card of 500 naira when he spent.
Not be small thing. Not be small thing. So we're going to need to learn. Sometimes when you sacrifice inside that little way you get, you go shock how the kind of things where you will get from those people. God bless you, brother. Good afternoon. Welcome. Hello. Who there to talk? I greet you, my brother. Welcome. Adade here. Yes, so.
Let me greet you, pass. Welcome. All
right, fire down, bros.
My God, this way they talk is free everywhere. In fact, in the different sections, now they think they happen. The one where I happen to myself is similar the same way. The boy where they work with me, the person where they work for the person drop by him. We are by say he don't get anything to chop. I can't carry him follow body. I can't teach him how to drive. After everything now, he can't follow me work. After I can't get problem where I get glaucoma for I know if he drive. The boy can't come on leave me. Say you know if you work for me forever. You go work for another place. You won't come take over all my customer while show him. So this thing are everywhere. Well done, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, bros. Hello. Hello. Good afternoon. Anybody there?
Hello.
Hello. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
All right, make a check messages ready on top WhatsApp. And this one to say, Radio Jagabana, I hail you, boss. I don't send nobody, I can live my life. All right, so this message now for Ada is anytime when I hear your voice, they think they sweet my life always.
Send funds,
Love you plenty.
Send funds.
Okay, you're going to need to credit her account for this matter now. Look at how we do them. Chiba and Ada, good evening. This is now Tony Blaze.
Thank you.
This your experience. They're so deep. The thing really touched me well. But I want to ask you, is it because some of them are not educated? Ada, you feel say this thing gets anything to do with education?
No, that education no follow, no. Not just their personality. Okay. So they're grateful to know how to show appreciation.
This thing be for school that they teach them now. Now streets now common sense.
Exactly. Now something where say your common sense go tell you say you need to be grateful to something. A habit. So no be say that they teach am for school. Teacher can't tell you
the common sense of overdoing. Somebody tell you say he need money in they broke. You tell and say okay, come around office, come collect. He can't tell you say whether you go feel at least send and transport. We go take come collect.
Imagine.
How about you know go use yourself?
Say this thing a bad thing. Yes, now good thing. You're supposed to know say
even if really I don't get transport, 100 naira to enter KK, come your office. I not supposed to ask you for the money. Please, I need money. I want to go and pay school fees. Then you can't tell me, say, come to my office, I'll give you. I can't tell you, say, okay, can you send me the transport to come out? I suppose not. So even if through I don't get that transport, maybe another person. I go beg Musa for gifts. I go beg Musa say, see, somebody want give me almost 28,000. I know if you tell and say, me give me 100 naira first, man, I can't collect that one now. I beg, help me if I go come, I go give you. I go come they ask them. How you go ask me for 5,000? I can't ask me for the 100 naira charges. Now that your own self is they pay me.
I say 5,000. I say make I give am. Make I send 5,200 for POS charges.
Hey God.
I send that now 5,200.
The person might tell you that person they're very entitled. As they ask you, he expect more from you. Maybe as he asks you 5K, you're supposed to do like 20 or 30.
Do like
so
times
this
2.
one way they say, you know they ask you out with, say you get people where they ask you with fear and really they're not really hungry, desperate, and you get people where they ask us, nobody say they no get. They just feel say you get. Make I no use my own. Make I use your own. Yes, so I know. Sorry, sir. They talk about. They talk true. This is very very common with ladies. They know they broke anything. And I know so many ladies where beside I don't sabi them from Kano, from different places. Somebody where they very okay. What they see status where they pop. They pop. They feel alright. They for one hotel. They go come send me message. Sir, I've not eaten for 3 days. Which kind of lie be this one? Please come and find me something. I've not eaten for the past 3 days. Now you still get mind. They talk to you.
Maybe not for the same true talk. We talk about something where they similar. When I tell you, say some girls, sorry to say, if they spend money, that money must come back.
Yes.
If you go salon, do hair 15K,
yes,
it must come back. They're not broke,
no.
But no, I don't use my money to do this.
See, girl go sit down on top 400,000 and lock that account and begin to cry and hustle her guy like say nothing day. You understand? You get money where they know they touch. They cannot use their money and buy phone. They cannot use their money and buy makeup. They cannot use their money and buy hair. When man day, So I not just know the sense of entitlement of people when no understand. Say even for this begging way they beg. If you feel do, the person will come the thing say, what till I go do for this guy?
Exactly.
This guy surprised me today. You understand? Somebody gave one boy 20,000 naira dash because for the joint where they sit down, they send the boy, he go bring something, come bring change of 350. So that man say no the last time based on chairman when he know the last time when somebody bring change for them.
Imagine
if they do transfer, if they tell us say something at 2.5, you go transfer 3,000 in case something cost there. Now so the matter go end. Anybody will give 5K for something of 3.5, you no go hear from them again. Something of 10K, you go make 12,000. They always put something on top, but that's what they put on top. Nobody they ever come back from in wife to in children to people around them driver. So he sit down with his friend send one stranger boy, make you go buy something outside. The boy come back, join inside the leather, 350 day change. That's not be say some people they hold them, they show you. May you for tell them say
okay, you can have it, you can have it.
The boy put the 300 inside the container. Give them now as they open them. Now I say see money. Come. What's the? He says size the change. The money is so and so. This other one opening bag vex count 20,000 dash that boy. Say carry go house, go give your mama money and buy food stuff. So I not just know in the process of claiming too much sense, you go dey poor for the condition where you did nobody go agree do for you. Good afternoon, Chibo and Ada. I get friend where they always come my house, come chop food, all in the name of friendship. We've been there very close like sisters, but I can't know her herself when I fall sick for 3 months and she not even visit for once. To cut long story short, I ended that friendship happy from my papa. Now the same thing with this as what they talk about. Not be the same thing. This is about friendship. This not be really about giving. This one about we get people like that where we say every time they come to us now for something.
Yes.
But I don't really put them on the same line, but I understand how you feel and I understand what you mean. But now well done, Chiboy. This thing don't go foul even for husband and wife. It they happen. Oh yes, I believe so. You get women where they are 1 naira. Even the man money where he give her, her, make she take run something. You know, if you ask am back, you know, if you give her 100K today, can't send somebody go the house, say, babe, please give him 2K for me. That's the laundry man. I bet give him 2.5 for me. When I come back, I go give you. Yes, so many men don't try that thing. Baby, when I come back, I go give you. The woman say nothing day. Always, if you give her 100K now, as you come out, go peace, come back. Say, babe, I beg, inside that 100K, I think get 500 naira. Nothing day. I've used the money. I've already transferred. I've paid it. If you see the way the woman, they deny the money where the man give them. As you gave me, immediately you gave me, and I call my brother. I told him to go and pay all those people. So now, what is doing in my hand is just 2.5. 100K will never reach 1 hour. I just reach my office now.
No.
I give you. Yes, one man said he give his wife every money what she asked for. She income from Abuja. He asked for a list of food stuff. The man dropped the money. Papa, count. She don't write another list for her hair. He drop count. He said one carry the children go play their hair. He drop count. The man said I hope everything is. He said no. If you still give me more, I'll take it. Let's say ask woman money. No, they do us.
I just tired.
All right, Agachi boy. Back then they get to this two woman where they would they patronize for food stuff around our house. Even though she no know where would they stay, but are they among her regular customers? One day I decided to go buy paint, one paint cup, bucket, pail, plastic bucket of Gary on credit as per say now your customer. He said to shock me, this woman tell me say she no go fit sell her more. I stopped patronizing her and I moved to her neighbor Emmy from Ikotun. When I did Kano for about 2 years, one man they sell mama put for near our office. So she don't know my cooler, my container where they take go buy me food. So I get the day where cash no day my hand, and I don't get a chance to go ATM for the first time after almost about 2 years. You know, I did dash her money, I did leave change for them. So there's some people who been the one, she report them to me. Now me still go talk to them, then pay her. One owe her 7,000, one owe her 5,000. Imagine say somebody they chop mama put off 300, 400, 500 that year. When they buy food, everything will be 250. They go full your plate, everything will be 500, 450. Somebody owe 7,000. It just they come from your office, they collect. So I just go, talk to the person, talk to Yoga, and they come balance her money back. She can't even congratulate, come beg me, say, thank God, say they don't give her money. So one day, now I send person, they carry my plate, go help me collect food. Say the food, now 300 naira, the woman say no. Yes, person what they give, what they dash.
People mean no.
So that time you go come the fee say, so me what been they do for you? I be mumu.
I no get sense.
Somebody where they dash something. One day you go say make it help you. I know they house so help me do something of 150. You go say send beg money no there. I might send your account number, may you send the money. So now like money pass. You see him? All right, he said the day when he go to buy credit for the woman hand after everything we don't do for the woman, so the woman say she no go fit. Ada and Chiba, good evening. I like this topic when I bring this afternoon. See this matter when they talk, not be only outsiders they do them, even family they do them to themselves. Mama and Papa they also do them to some of their children where they no prefer their progress to the others. Wow. I think I understand what you should talk. Even as soon as be inside family, Kaku's day.
Yes.
Inside family.
Favorites day.
Yes. Kaku's day. Mama get who he dey collect money from. Mama get who he go understand. Say that I no get. Get the one where he go collect. True. Mama get who he go collect from. Can they give the other one? You understand? So she say yes. So family they do them even to their children. So they do them to some of their children where they no prefer their progress to the others. So that is to say some parents not be every of their daughter where they marry that they happy.
No.
They get the one where they wish say. I wish say na Sadia na they marry.
Na marry this one they
no be this Bisola. Yes, but this one stay house. This other one, I don't hear of mama where they ask the guy where one marrying daughter say,
you they sure?
You know, see her younger sister. That one, na me born two of them. Oh, that one good too. That one good though. If they tell the guy we come to marry,
first come marry other picking. They
so whether you don't see the younger one, say this two na me born them. Na me go tell you who them be. You can imagine. So on to say this one they give her pass. So she believes say if this one marry this man, he go even buy me aeroplane. But this other one, feed they tell me say mama take 50,000. I wait till my husband give me, I give you. So she don't see rich man and she know her daughter will sabi tax well. So that now one she for life make it deal with this man.
So they push money come back to them for house.
That girl for they bring money come house. All right, somebody said Dan Chibon agree. Okay, I like this topic when I carry come. Okay, you say see this matter one at the talk. Don't be only outsiders they do them. Even families they do them to themselves. Mama and Papa they also do them to some of their children where they no prefer their progress to the other ones. I they talk out of experience. Presently, my mama they do them to my siblings and me who come who came from this father. My name now Mara from Ago. Okay.
And she get different papa.
Blessed they get different papa. You understand? So their mama get who you know if you do for. If you beg them something, you go collect your money. Yes, your mama, you go tell your mama, help me now. May they help me send plantain. Your mama go now tax you money. We go take pay the people. We go climb the tree to bring down the plantain. This now your mama where you they send money for upkeep steady. Still one guy you join.